gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Let's come and share because this thing is amazing. This is an amazing video. Today, I want to show you how to turn on your new router from ZLT. This router is from MTN too. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. This is a router that I bought yesterday and is here. I have made the unboxing video. You will see this video here in the end of this video. Today, I want just to show to you how to turn on this router, how it works, how to make this work. Okay, look at first this box. Can you see this? Amazing boxing. ZLT P90 4G wireless router with all informations you need to know about this. Wi-Fi 6, wow, 5G high gain antenna. You can see 4G 600 megabytes per second, unbelievable. And you can see another one, ZLT W51M Wi-Fi 6 wireless router. Amazing. And the same informations. As you can see, this is like man and wife. Can you see this? Marriages for both of them. Yes, because you need absolutely to have both of them. This is not a joke, it's real. And here you have more informations, the same informations in the same box. So look at very well. You can see more informations here. For example, Wi-Fi 6 1008 megabytes per second, dual band auto selection. Can you see this? 4G Cat 12 up to 600 megabytes per second download and 50 megabytes per second upload. I don't know if it's true, but we need to test it. And how this device look like? This device look like that. This is the device in the real life. Yes, this is what you have here. Can you see this? This is antenna, and you can see model editor and the IP address too. This is how it look like. You can put your micro USB, your USB type C. You can support USB type C. I have tested. You can put your SIM card here. Your SIM card is just small. Okay, let me show you. This is the SIM card that I'm talking about. Your SIM card is here. You need SIM card like that. Nice. Now you need to put the SIM card directly into this thing, bro. Just turn. It's just like that. Look at very well for instruction. There are an instruction directly into this thing. How to insert this card, you can see. Look at very well. Let me show you. This is instruction, the position of this card, how to put this inside. Look at very well and choose the position according to what you see. Just go slowly. Take your time. Go slowly. Just take your SIM card. Okay. For me, I turn like that. I put this position. Look at me. 1, 2, and beam. You can see here. You can see. Just turn. Okay. Look at this angle. It looks like it's cut. Now, in my case, I put this like that. Just inside like that. Don't press too hard, just a little bit. 1. If you see this movement, you see like it's try to go out, is good. Now you can press and put this inside. Now it's on the right position. Can you see this? You can see inside. This is reset. This is reset. This is where you can take something like that. Okay, you can take something like that. Just put this into and press listen 1 2. Just you press and you will see something here. Maybe I will show to you how to do this. So wait a minute. And the SIM card is inserted. Now you are ready. This is where you put the internet cable. The good thing about this is that the internet cable can have electricity to boot this device. Use electricity into this internet cable to boot this device. I will show to you. I'll show you everything after. Before, let's talk about this. This is Wi-Fi 6 router. Yes, as you can see, Wi-Fi 6 wireless router. This is the model number. This is a new device. Yes, it's new right now. It's new, and it looks also beautiful, as you can see. Power, WAM, Wi-Fi link. You can see also there are many ports. Can you see this? The good news about this router is that all of this port has power delivery, and is this WAM. This is where the electricity to boot these devices. What does this mean? This means something. Let me tell you. You have two possibilities to turn on this device, this antenna. You have the cable. Let me show you. Okay. You have this cable, this internet cable, that you can use, connect to this device like that. Okay, connect into this. All right, good. And when it's connected, you can put this cable directly here, where the word one, this is where they are power delivering, that it can put this thing. When the charger of this router is connected, okay, connected to power. Okay, so let's do this right now. As you can see, put it inside. Good. I will show to you how it works. Just wait. Where's the charger? The charger is here. This is the charger. There are something different about the charger. The charger is 24 volt. 24 volt. 1 ampere. 24 watt too. This is just powerful. So you connect the charger directly here. Okay, connect charger directly here, and after you connect this cable also here in the same position. Can you see this? This router is connected to this. Okay, now you can connect your charger directly to electricity to make this boot. And also another solution that I want to show to you how to make this work. Okay, The solution is here in front of you. What is this? This is PoE injector. PoE injector. 48 volt. Can you see this? 48 volt. What is happening? You need to know that there is something what inside of this thing, bro. Something is what? Let me remove this thing first. You can see is what something into this thing. You can see PoE inside. Can you see this? PoE, which means that this is PoE device. You need PoE device to make this work too. So you connect this cable from this device directly to PoE port, just under, just here, connected into this. And you need another internet cable to transfer internet from this thing, this charger, directly to this, directly to WAM. Like you need another one. Okay, 1, 2. So you connect the second one directly to where you see LAN. Okay, LAN, and you connect this. Okay, connect one to LAN here, and another one directly to the same position here. Okay, this is 2 methods to turn on this thing. Now you know how to do this, but maybe you need to see in real life how it look like. This is why I have prepared all of this to show to you how it look like in the real life. Okay, in the real life, as you can see, I have this internet adapter gig from gigabit. You can see it's here. It's connected to USB Type-C to this MacBook Pro. I have also my phone to test internet connection to speed, everything. Look at that. Battery, we need battery. So we need to go because we need battery too. Okay, good. So the first thing you need to do is to looking for best way where there are network connection, good network connection, and set up this thing. Just put this somewhere outdoor. This is outdoor device. This is indoor. So put this outdoor where there are good network connection. Set up everything. Put this everything in the good position. You can fix. There are another tools, another material to set up this outdoor. Okay, for me, I want just to test first before I put this out. Okay, before putting it outdoor. So I want just to look at this. The logo is here. Just you can see this antenna just like that. For me, I put this like that. Okay, just for the test, you can put this like that in this chair. Good. And after this, what you need? You need to have this one is here. What you need to do is just to remove antennas. Just be careful. As you can see, look at very well this antenna. How to put this inside. We see how to do this. Look at the logo. You do this. Okay, it's blocked it. So okay, remove this also and do this. It's blocked it. So first of all, when you want to close this, you need to start by this first. Put this under just under like that, and is okay. And now if it's done, it's the same thing with this, the same thing. Cool, nice. This is how to do this. Nice. Move again. Good, nice. And you have 4 antennas, bro. 4. Can you see this? And this is what I'm talking about. This is just cool. It's open too. This is to open too. You can see inside. Okay, cool. Now I need to see ports because I want to show to you how to connect this. First thing you need to do is to connect the charger first. Okay, connect charger first. So I want to, as you can see, it's off. I'll connect the charger here. Charger is connected. Okay, now connect charger directly here with power. Okay, connect this directly inside. Let me do this quickly. Just look at connect directly here. When it's connected and you press on this button to turn on, you will see something. Okay, it's turned on. This is what you can see. You can see power is green. This means that it's turned on. This is where you can reset this device to. Just enter something like that into this thing, enter and press many times, something like 1, 2, 3 or 4 seconds, and remove to reset this. This is how it works. As you can see, when you see this, what you can see, Wi-Fi, you can see Wi-Fi. When you see Wi-Fi is green, power is green, Wi-Fi is green. And this means that you are ready to connect your 4G router. Okay. When you see link reset, which is starting reset this thing. So now let's test what I'm talking to you. Especially with this device, we are power delivering in this port, only in this port. Because look at that. When we connect this internet cable from this device here, for example, we see it's connected. You can see nothing happened. Nothing happened. You need also to connect it this thing here. Just remove and connect this here. And look at it's become blue. What you see here means that it's started. It's turned on. It's turned on. This means it's turned on, and it's starting looking for network connection, good network connection, everything. The color you need to see is blue everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4 blue. When you see only 2 blues, like that, not good. When you see red, this means that you're looking for network. As you see, pink is like pink. Basically mean by looking for network connection from your SIM card. Okay, looking for this. Okay, this is what is looking for right now. And okay, normally you need to see blue everywhere, and this means by network connection is okay. But when we are not network connection, or your SIM card is not good, you will see one is become red. You can see also something like pink or red, don't know, but it become red. This means that there are not network connection. We can remove this just like that. Okay, remove, connect again, just to try to reboot this thing. To looking for good network connection. Okay, you have also reset here. You can reset this device too if there are problems. Network connection, I don't know. You can see nothing appear here. It's still like that. You can see blue now. Blue everywhere. This means that this is a good news, and beam is starting working. When you see one is green, which is good news. Yes, when you see blue everywhere, this is good news too. So you have blue and green. Okay, now you are connected to internet. Now after this, what do you want to do, bro? What you need to do is just to connect to internet. There are two Wi-Fi IP. Okay, this thing giving to you access to two Wi-Fi address, two IPs. So you can connect to two Wi-Fi. The first is 2.4 gigahertz, and the second is 5 gigahertz. The total between all of this is 5 gigahertz. And you have all of this here for my case. As you can see, this is the first, and this is the second. You can see 5 gigahertz, 5G. This is 5 gigahertz. So when you click on the first, you can start connecting to internet, and you can see the notification from YouTube. Now, the second thing what I want to do here is just to try to test, to make speed test if it's possible. No. Okay, now you are going to go for the speed test. Let's go. Okay, and you can see this is what you get when you have in my zone. They are not good network connection here, so I have only this when I'm connected to this IP. This is 2.4 gigahertz. This is look like you have your old router from Huawei, for example, old router 42.4 gigahertz. So it look like this. Okay, and this is the speed you get. Can you see this? 6.70 for download mode and 6.55 for upload mode. Can you see this? Can you see this? Network, everything is connected. Now you will see the difference when you select 5 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz. You will see by yourself different. There are a lot of difference between both of them. So let's take a photo, screenshot, and let's test the second one. Let's go. Boom! Can you see this? 35, 36. Wow! 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 The difference is just big. But the download speed, fortunately, look the same. The download speed not change it. I don't know. Can you see this? Can you see this? Damn. Let's see its results. And boom. Can you see this? 1, 2. This is the first 6.70 for when you have the first 2.4 gigahertz, and look about 5 gigahertz. What you get? Look at what you get. Damn. I want just to test this router too. Okay, I want to test this router, his speed, and you will see by yourself different what I'm talking about, everything. You will see what I'm talking to you. Okay, let me see. His name is here. This is 14 router. So let's test this one. You will see his speed in the same zone, different position too. You need to remember this. Now let's see what we get. Look at what we get. Damn. This is because of this. I decided to buy something new. Upload speed. Damn. Look at that. This is the result that we have. Currently, we are also ads. You can see Pure Dingrace network speed too. So look at that. Okay, can you see this? Okay, now look at the result. Yeah, look at what we get. This result look like this thing. This result you can see here. For the same profile, 2.4 gigahertz, we have 6.70 here for download, 6.555 for upload. But look at here what we get. And now when we go for the biggest 5 gigahertz, we have 40.3, and you got this still the same, but you can see on download speed has changed it. This is just the beginning. I am in a zone where there are not good network connection. So now let's try to connect a second internet cable to connect to this PC using this internet adapter. So let's connect this thing. So you need to connect this to another port. You can make your choice between 1, 2, 3. Make a choice. Okay, good. When you choose this, what you need to do is now to connect this to this adapter, which is 1000 megabytes per second. 1000 megabytes per second. Okay, cool. So I'm starting connecting this. Listen, look at what you see. Starting blinking. When you see this color, this means that internet is now okay. The internet connection. You can see green, green, blue, blue, and green, green, yellow, yellow. When you see this thing here, this LED here blinking, this means that you have enabled 1000 megabytes per second. Okay, cool. Let me unlock my device. Very welcome. What you see here is my dashboard. Dashboard from MTN. MTN. What you see here? MTN. Can you see this? This is his dashboard. Okay, no problem. We have his dashboard, and you can see IP address here. Okay, this is IP address. What you see? Let me remove something for you to see very well with IP address. And beam. This is the IP address. When you click on enter, it starts loading. And welcome. And this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. So you have all of this 4G plus SIM card is okay. When you see everything green, green band is okay, everything is okay. And when you see LAN 2, this means fan is connected. When you are connected, another internet cable, and is on position 2, position 1, position 2, and position 3. Good. And when you come here, you have all information you need to know, and this is information about a network. Let's change your language. You can change your language here. Choose English, for example. Starting loading. And you have English, and this is how it looks like. Now go on login, and go login. You have this. Your default password is just under this. You can see is what user IP first, user, you can see admin, password admin 2, input voltage 24 volts. Cool. Now what you need to do is just enter your password here. You can click on remember to if you want, and go. And this is the page, my home page for network connection, but I choose. You can see everything, every settings here, everything, and you have total historical business flow. Can you see this? And you can see what I use. This is what I'm talking about. How many data you have used appear here. How many data you have used since you have bought your devices and you are starting using internet. How many things appear here? Okay, what you use today, what you are used when you are connecting this today appear here. This is the total traffic flow of this online business. Okay, and you have another one here. Downlink services, traffic of the station network. You have uplink services. Also, you can see everything. And okay, good. And after, you have many informations here. What? My computer is turned off, bro, because you need battery. Let me start my computer. Okay, bro, now we are back to internet. Reload the page reloading, starting loading, and being now it's connected. Beautiful, she's starting charging, as you can see. And okay, now we continue. As you can see, you have DICP information, Wi-Fi 2.4G information, 5G Wi-Fi 5G information, device information. Wow, there are many informations here. Can you see this? So many informations. Can you see this? Running time, everything. CPU ratio. Can you see this? You have device temperature, 37 degrees Celsius. Is a little bit hot. You have memory usage and flash usage. Everything here, as you can see. And device information, software version 4.1.6, hardware version, you can see by yourself. Everything is there in front of you. And you have internet function, have many things here, but when you choose auto, is come back to 4G only. I recommend you to choose 4G only if you have possibilities to do it. APN auto is selected. If auto is selected and you have good network connection, you don't need to change it. So you go. You have SIM function. Anyways, Wi-Fi settings, everything appear here. You have Wi-Fi 2.4G. You can turn off this if you want. You can turn off and choose only Wi-Fi 5G. On Wi-Fi 5G you have automation, and this is good. WPS setting. Okay, for both Wi-Fi. Now, device setting, IP address, everything. You have everything. Indoor unit. On indoor unit, you have something. You can see interface list. You have LAN 2. LAN 2 is connected to everything, and you can see all information about it. Negotiate speed 1000 megabytes. 1000 megabytes. This means that every port you see here has 1000 megabytes each hour. Okay, 1000 megabytes each. Okay, Okay, this is what you have to use everything. You have, you can see indoor unit WLAN. Okay, and more feature on security. You have all of this access control. You can do what you want here, and you have management. On management, you have system. On system, you have this. Change password. Change. You can see new username. Time setting. Restore factory setting. You see when you click to restore your device, when you started restoring this thing, it restoring this. When you started restoring this, it's starting restoring this. Both are connected like man and his wife. Yes, this is just cool. Okay, you can see smart restart. You have system log. Okay, you have clean logs, export log. But when you click on clean log, it will not work. In my case, you need to reset your device to clean this. Maybe there are a lot of things that I need to discover it. System upgrade. As you can see select upgrade file. I have not upgrade file yet, so let's move. Diagnostic. We have this and reboot. When you click on reboot, are you sure you want to reboot? If you are sure, click on validate or okay. If you are sure, just click on confirm. Okay, and wait for this. I want to go for how to reset this thing. Okay, I see you have this. Just press on this thing inside to reset this. But you need to see something when you start resetting this. Just put this into this. Listen, 1, 2, 3. Can you see it? Okay, now press, long press, 1, 2, 3. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Stay on the same position. When you see blinking like that, can you see this? Look at video with router here. You will see also something. Look at both of them. Look at both of them. Okay, as you can see, it started like that because you have not removed your hand right now. And ping is starting blinking. As you can see, this means that the reset process started. As you can see, link is now become green, and reset process started. So you look both of them to see what is happening. Just look at both of them. Okay, as you can see, the process almost finished here. When you see this pink color, is basically starting looking for network connection. When you see blue everywhere now, this means that it's good, it's finished. Now you can start using this device, this scooter. But you need to wait for this first. You need to see green also here, and disappear, and bing, this means that Now it's okay, everything is okay. You are reset your device. Now you can come here and start to reload the page to see if it's good. As you can see, okay, and boom, you are back to internet. Yes. And how to reset now? This device is almost the same thing. You need to put this inside, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, nothing happened and nothing happened because it's selected too. So you need to remove your hand, and you can see this started blinking, and you can see also this. Can you see this? Okay, this means that starting resetting this, and you can see also this device starting rebooting. It looks like it's starting resetting also this. For me, it's just starting rebooting this router. Starting to boot this router. So you need to wait to have green here on Wi-Fi and green here on one for this, and this is this. As you can see, you're looking for network connection. It's looking for good network connection, but this router is not ready to go, so he's starting reboot and wait. You reboot, go back, come back. You need just to wait. You need just to wait a minute. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, is ready now. Is ready now. Let's see this. Boom! Automatically connected to internet, because with this thing was ready. It was already ready. So now we are good. You can go for network connection, and you can use something to close this in the package, in this box. There are what you need to do the job, everything you need, every key, everything to put or something like that. Everything you need. This is what you need to use. This is what you need to use to close this thing. Okay, and now if you want more information, you have instruction on information here for you. As you can see, if you are French guy, you will see French user when quick start gate. So this is what you need to connect with. You have more details you need to have to just go watch sometime user gig Google Photos will sometimes something about quick start gig. Watch this. Okay, and now we go. You can see there are not POA injector into this thing. POA is this. I decided to buy this thing and do something. If you want to use this router without this, you need to have this. Connect this cable. Okay, this cable connected here. Connect directly in PoE port and use this second cable and connect this here. This is why I have decided to buy this. Okay, you can see internet cable Cat 6. Why Cat 6? You need to know something very important. You need to know that this cable you see here, it's Cat 5A. Cat 5A. You have more information about this sometime directly into this cable. So look for this. Just you turn, just a turn. Looking for this. where we can see this. Okay. I'm sure, but I have seen something. Okay, you can see here is what cat 5E. Can you see this? Cat 5A. This means that you need to have cat 5A cable to make this work perfectly. Or you need to, how you can use more than cat 5A. Like what? Like what you see here. Cat 6, we have cat 6, cat 7, cat and cat 8. The more powerful all of this is cat 8. Yes, this is 40 gigabyte transfer, 40 gigabyte per second. Yes, is more powerful than this. This is 10, I think what this is 10 gigabyte per second. 10 gigabyte per second. Yes, free method what I have decided to buy. Yes, I've decided to buy both of them, 2 of these. Will come tomorrow. Maybe I will make a video to show you everything. Yes, so you need internet cable cat 5A or cat 6. You both, this is what you need to make this work perfectly. No problem. Okay. This is what you need. Okay, if you have an answer, ask me everything in the commentary space. This is complete video, speed test, setup, everything. Now you know what you need to know to start. There may be another one or something again you need to know, but right now this is what I can tell you. Maybe I will make another video, so like, subscribe and share this video and get ready. I love this material, but because it look beautiful. Yes, it look good, and this is also nice. Okay, bro, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, to comment, share, and get ready for more videos like that on GNANGSTUDIO 40. Thank you for watching, and God bless you, bro, because this is crazy, this is nice, this is just amazing. Wow, the bad thing about this is that you can have too many cables here, bro, but the network connection is good. It's good. People say that why internet cable is faster than Wi-Fi. I don't know who say the truth, but you can give me answer too. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and let's go for the next video.